Today we're going to make Nichrome test boards in order to learn more about resistance. We're going to set up a test board first by marking it with certain numbers and distances. We're going to start up over here with 1. And we're going to start very close to the edge. We'll write 1, make a dot. Then we will take our metric ruler. We will line up the 0 with the 1. And we're going to be at a slight angle. We're going to go down to 25, make a dot, and 2. We're going to keep our 25 at the 2. We will, once again, make a little angle, go back to the 0 point, dot, and a 3. Keep our 0 at the 3. Move our 25 down. Once again, making a slight angle. Dot at 25, that would be 4. You'll never guess what comes next. 25 stays at the 4. Angle down to our 0, and we get a 5. It should look like this. Next, we take another piece of cardboard, put it underneath the other piece of cardboard, take masking tape, and we just want to tape these pieces of cardboard together so they don't move around a lot. See how long it takes me to find there it is. We don't need a lot of tape. Ideally, you'd have a little bit more room over here. I went a little closer to the edge than I would have liked, but I'm actually using a smaller piece of cardboard than you will. Just need a few pieces of tape so everything will stay where we want it to stay. Okay. And it's staying. Next thing we're going to do are take something called map pins, or map tacks these are called, and we're just simply going to put 1 on each dot. And we are going to push through so that it goes, so the map pin goes through both pieces of cardboard. We don't necessarily want it sticking out like that, but we do want it in both of them. And so I'm simply putting them in the dots, and if you have it on a surface like this, you just take your pin and essentially push down all the way until you have all 5 pins in. The next step is to attach our Nichrome wire to our test board. We're going to have a little bit of wire left over on the edge here. What we're actually going to do is we are going to take our wire, and keep it as straight as you can, and we're going to wrap it around pin number 1. And you're going to want to wrap it around a few times. Okay? Notice how I am not pulling on the pin, because I don't want that pin to go anywhere. But I'll wrap it around a few times. And then I started off with dot 1, so I'm going to stretch it to 2, wrap it around 2, stretch it to 3, wrap it around 3, nice tight wraps, 4, and finally to 5. 1 and 5 you probably need to wrap more than the rest of them. It should look like this.